Running sales campaigns on Etsy is by far one of the easiest ways to drive more traffic to your Etsy store, and let's just be real, people love discounts. So let me show you how to set up one. First, you just go to your shop manager, then on the left you're gonna see marketing, you just click on it and sales and discounts. You scroll a little and you're gonna see run a sale. You just click on setup. Now you just have to set it up. For the percentage, I always like to leave it at 25 or 35, but you can do bigger ones if you want. Then you just leave this at everywhere. And for the sales duration, I highly recommend running a few sales per month for up to 5 days rather than just doing a big one for the entire month. It just works better for me, but yeah, you can do whatever you want. And then you just create a sale name. For example, it's race week for me. And the dates, as I said, 3 to 5 days. So it's from today to, let's say, end of the week. And that's that. You just continue. You choose if you want to have all listings up for the sale or just a few ones, but yeah, always leave it all listings, review and confirm. Now, when you scroll to the top, you're gonna see details and stats, and right here you can see the sale we just created, you can see the remaining duration, how many times it was used, and the revenue it generated. And that's pretty much all. Thank you all for watching.